Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to change mouse pointer color in Windows 10. So guys, if you are using Windows 10 PC or laptop, you can change and you can customize mouse pointer size and color. So just you need to click on start firstly, then settings, then ease of access. Here you will see option mouse pointer in this left side panel. So click on it. You can change size and you can set any color like suggested yellow, lime or gold, pink, blue, and also you can set custom color. So click this plus icon and you can select which you like, then click on done, and that's it. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by this super easy method we can know how to change mouse pointer color and size. Thanks for watching.